Hi, my name is Anil Bajpayee and welcome to Education Tattva. This is altogether a new series that we are going to create on AWS, Amazon Web Services. Yes, you heard it right. I'm very excited to start on this series. I'm sure you will be learning a lot while following this. So here I want to start with course introduction, what I'm going to cover, and then we will talk over the plan. Let's have a look. After completing this course, the course goals are what is cloud computing, what to choose best component for your project when you're thinking about cloud, how to estimate cloud cost, which is very important, and then difference between AWS, Azure, and GCP, when to choose serverless over compute or vice versa, cloud migration strategies. So these are some of the high level goals, but if we talk about what we are going to cover in detail, let's have a look. In fundamentals, we are going to talk about AWS Console, how to use this and navigate, AWS Command Line for accessing your AWS services through the command prompt, and then AWS Calculator for estimating the cost of any planned project or the infrastructure. We will talk about AWS Regions, AWS Availability Zones for you to understand what is high availability. Moving next, on the compute service, we are going to talk about AWS EC2 instance, which is very frequent and very fundamental services for most of the managed services as well. Then EBS, which is Elastic Beanstalk, created on top of EC2, and then the Lambda functions. On a storage service, we are going to talk about S3, Simple Storage Service, Glacier, and EFS. On network services, we are going to talk about all the important services including VPC, Route 53, Cloudfront, API Gateway, and Direct Connect. On monitoring service, we are going to talk about CloudWatch and possibly CloudFormation I'll be covering as part of the monitoring services as well. Then on security services, we will talk about IAM integration and the Cognito. On database services, we are going to talk about RDS and DynamoDB, though there are other database offerings as well with AWS, but these are two which will be most focused, but feel free to ask any questions for other database services as well. On integration services, we are going to talk about SQS and SNS. Container services, we are going to see the demonstration on Elastic Container Registry, Container Service, Kubernetes services related to Elastic Container Services. Then important thing, DevOps tools. We are going to talk about CodeCommit, CodeBuild, CodeDeploy, CodePipeline. On machine learning, we will be seeing some of the examples of Amazon Lex, Amazon Poly, and Amazon Textract. On the front-end service, we are going to see the demo on AWS Amplify services. So far, if we look at all these services, these are very comprehensive services provided by AWS. And in this complete series or the playlist of AWS sessions, we are going to talk most of these services with hands-on exercise. That is what my favorite thing. So here we are recording this tutorial in 2021, which means this is latest and greatest. But we will keep updating this with all the new services and all the feedback that I receive while I'm working on this tutorial. I'll try to keep that a part of this tutorial playlist. So hopefully this will be exciting and lots of learning throughout this journey. If there is any feedback in terms of course introduction, if there should be more managed services that I should be covering as part of this tutorial, please let me know. So what are you waiting for? Just like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that whenever I'm uploading the videos, it should be pop up on your mobile phone and you should be able to follow me along this course journey. Thanks for watching.